This instructional video will show you how to properly use the Easy Flatwork forming system designed by Concrete Form Services. The Easy Flatwork system is a unique concrete forming system that simplifies the process of forming concrete driveways, RV pads, and sidewalks for residential and commercial structures. The standard forms, along with all the accessories, provide everything needed to build any size shape of pad. All aluminum forms should be seasoned prior to their first use. Refer to the footing section of seasoning instructions. Form release is recommended before each use. We suggest a product made by Knoxcrete called Aluminox or Western's Blue Ribbon Form Release. The forms are available in 4, 5, and 6 inches tall and lengths of 1 to 24 feet. All the forms have a mating hinge that allows you to connect all forms end to end. The hinge holds the form straight or at 90 degrees. The grade knob must be inserted into the hinge slot before the stake is inserted through the hole. The standard flatwork bracket can be used for attaching to the flatwork form, attaching the flatwork form to the radius form, or attaching to the radius form only. The bracket has a clamp that hooks to the bottom of the form. The stake is inserted into the bracket. The grade knob is then tightened to set the height as well as secure the bracket to the form. The clamp has two positions, one for the flatwork form and one for the radius form. The grade knob must be inserted into the hinge slot before the stake is inserted. Insert the grade knob into the bottom hinge slot, otherwise you will only control the height from one form. Drive the stake into the ground, set the height of the form, then tighten the grade knob. Use the straight grade knob on outside corners and straight runs. Use the corner grade knob on inside corners only. The skin panels are used to make up the odd size gaps in the forms. The standard panel is available in 3 lengths, 12, 24, and 32 inches long. It is placed over the form, the holes are lined up with the hinge holes, and the stakes are inserted to hold it into place. The hinge skin panel is to build a corner angle that is anything other than 90 degrees. Removing the stakes is an easy task with the Easy Stake Puller. Simply hook the puller over the stake, rest the puller on the base of the form, and push down. Stripping the forms is always best when the concrete is still green, usually 2 to 4 hours after it's finished. With a little effort, the forms will fall away from the slab. Lay the forms out flat, and with the scraper clean off any residual concrete on the forms. A coarse bristle push broom is also effective if the concrete is still green and soft.